Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. GK General Insurance has partnered with the newly re-established Scotia General Insurance Agency SGIA. The agreement sees GK serving as the underwriting insurer for Scotia Protect, a new product to help customers manage premium coverage for their home and motor vehicle assets via a digital platform. The companies say the partnership also includes two insurance products for home and motor vehicles, which will be launched in January to new and existing Scotia Jamaica customers. GK and SGIA say clients will be able to pay their premiums in monthly installments. Additionally, with both products being available digitally, customers will have 24-hour access. To some more company news now, the board of movie theater operators Palace Amusement has agreed to a stock split. The decision will now be put to the company's shareholders at an annual general meeting to be held on January 24, 2023. Investors will be asked to vote on increasing the company's authorized share capital from 1.5 million to an unlimited number of shares. These ordinary shares will be equal to the current shares in circulation. Palace's shareholders are also being asked to agree to a stock split, which would see each issued ordinary share in the company subdivided into 600 additional shares. This would take effect from the close of business on February 28, 2023. Now, if approved, this will bring the total number of issued Palace stocks from 1.44 million ordinary shares to 862.22 million ordinary shares with no par value. At the close of trading today, Palace Amusement shares were being sold at $1,402.26 per unit. The fourth tranche of Mayberry Investments bond offer has been oversubscribed. The company says by December 23, demand for the instrument exceeded the 1.25 billion Jamaican dollars it's set to raise. Therefore, this tranche, which is the 36-month instrument with a 12% rate of return, is now closed. The other tranches will, however, remain open to run until January 6, 2023 or earlier, depending on subscription. The Mayberry bond offer is aimed at raising 5 billion Jamaican dollars with the possibility of upsizing by $2 billion, which would take it to 7 billion Jamaican dollars. The company plans to use the funds to fund its margin book and other projects. The remaining tranches offer a rate of interest of 9.25%, 10% and 11% per annum over 13, 18 and 24 months, respectively. To the currency market now, the US dollar is being sold for an average $152.31. $112.82 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $184.03 for the pound, while it's costing an average $164.83 for the euro. The JSE index rose 6,091 points today, while the junior market index grew by 30 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group 7.5% shares, Caribbean Cream, Sagicor Group Jamaica, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Lasco Distributors. The losers included Productive Business Solutions PBS US dollar shares, Key Insurance Company, Blue Power Group, Siboney Group, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.